Over-glazing. What is over-glazing? Glaze can be defined as water added to the fish when freezing to form a protective barrier around the protein, ultimately shielding the fish from the outside air. Water is free, fish is not. Therefore, the most common shortcut employed by unscrupulous seafood producers is to overglaze the fish and disguise water weight as fish weight. Weights and measures legislation demands that the weight of the fish be reported net of glaze. Unfortunately, it is very difficult to thoroughly audit a product that is frozen, enabling many producers to abuse the laws. When glaze goes unreported, excessive water and profits simply run down the drain.
Jerry, today we're going to take a look at the deceptive practice of overglazing, which is the most common deceptive practice in the industry.
Overglazing, so then we're going to have to deglaze.
That's correct.
What's the first step then?
First step is that we're going to take a tare weight on the container we're going to put the fillets into. Step 2 will be to place the fillets in the pan, remove the packaging, and record the weight. Okay, we've got 159.25 ounces.
Okay, so just about 10 pounds, just under 10 pounds.
Just under 10 pounds with glaze.
With glaze.
So the next step, step 3, will be to deglaze the fillets and drain for 2 minutes.
Okay, so let's look at that process then. How do we do that?
You do that under cold running water.
Mm-hmm.
You just rub the fillets until you feel that the actual ice surface, the glaze, the protective glaze that is put on there, is off, and you're actually feeling the actual flesh of the fish.
Right, you're doing it under cold water, so you don't want it to thaw entirely.
That's right, because the net weight is determined as a frozen net weight, not a thawed weight.
Gotcha.
Now you can feel that.
You can feel that, right? Oh yes, yeah, absolutely. It just gets just a bit soft.
That's right. You can just start to feel the glaze is gone.
Yep.
All right, while we're waiting for the fillets to drain any excess water, we'll go to step 4, which is to take the empty pan and get a new tare weight.
Okay.
All right, it's at 0. Now we move straight to step 5 and we place the deglazed fillets back into the pan to get a weight, and then we'll record that weight.
Okay.
All right, step 6 now is to take the deglazed weight and record it.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, it's 142.8, which is substantially lower than the 160 ounces, 10 pounds that it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
So obviously this is a very much short weight product. Now you have to find the calculation though to find what percentage the glaze is. You do that by taking your deglazed weight, subtracting it from your original weight, coming up with a difference, and then dividing that difference by your original weight.
Okay.
Now if you don't have time or the need to deglaze the entire case, you can take a smaller subsample of 5 or 6 fillets and repeat the same process, come up with the percentage, and then prorate it to the full case to find out, in this case, how much you would have been shorted.
Right.